Welcome to our channel, where we break down the essential steps to get approved for your FHA loan with ease. Welcome to our channel, where we break down the essential steps to get approved for your FHA loan with ease. Getting an FHA loan can be the key to unlocking your dream home, especially if you're a first-time homebuyer or looking for more flexible credit options. Here is a comprehensive step-by-step guide designed to help you understand the entire approval process from start to finish. Step 1 is understanding the basics of an FHA loan. FHA loans are insured by the Federal Housing Administration and offer lower down payment options, typically as low as 3.5%, and more flexible credit requirements than conventional loans. This makes them a popular choice for many buyers. Step 2 involves checking your credit score. While FHA loans are more lenient, lenders usually expect a minimum credit score of around 580 to qualify for the low down payment benefit. If your score is between 500 and 579, you may still qualify, but likely with a higher down payment. Step 3 is to get your financial documents in order. This includes pay stubs, tax returns, bank statements, and proof of any other income. Lenders use these documents to verify your financial stability and ability to repay the loan. Step 4 is to calculate your debt-to-income ratio. FHA guidelines generally require your total debt payments, including your new mortgage, to be no more than 43% of your gross monthly income. If your ratio is higher, you might need to reduce your debts or increase your income before applying. Step 5 is to get pre-approved by an FHA-approved lender. Pre-approval means a lender has conditionally agreed to loan you a certain amount based on your finances. This step strengthens your position when making an offer on a home. Step 6 is to find your home and make an offer. Once your offer is accepted, your lender will begin the underwriting process to officially approve your loan. Step 7 involves the home appraisal and inspection. FHA loans require an appraisal to ensure the property meets minimum safety and habitability standards. This protects you from buying a home with hidden issues. Step 8 is to complete the final loan approval and close the deal. You'll review and sign all loan documents, pay any necessary closing costs, and officially take possession of your new home. By following these steps carefully, you improve your chances of smooth approval and a successful home purchase. Remember, patience and preparation are your best tools throughout this journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you found this guide helpful. This will keep you updated with more valuable tips and information on home buying. Stay tuned for more content to empower your financial decisions and homeownership dreams.